Hello and welcome to Coro Health. Today we're going to provide you a step-by-step guide for connecting and casting your MusicFirst and FaithFirst content from your iPhone or iPad directly to your Apple TV. Before getting started, make sure you have your Coro Health content pulled up on your phone or iPad, that your Apple TV is available, and that your designated casting device is available. Step 1 is to make sure all of your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and are powered on and ready for display. Step 2 is to navigate to your favorite music or faith content using the Coro Health web application on your phone or your iPad. Step 3 is to locate and press the casting icon on the content play screen. You'll notice that looks like a little TV. Once the button's pressed, you need to choose your device name. In this example, we are casting to the living room TV. Once that button is selected, sit back and enjoy your music or faith experience. And always remember, if you have questions, please visit us at www.corohealth.com.